truth that you are a slave. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage, born into a prison for your mind.
Greetings. I want to speak to you about sleep and let you know that sleep constitutes 1/3 of our life here on this planet, and the other 2/3 is our waking experience. But if we can bring our sleeping and waking experience in a way that it is done to increase and expand our life, we would have to understand the role that sleep plays and the role our mind plays in a drowsy, sleepy state, and how the way we go to bed and the way we are awake will shape our life. So I want to share with you a little technique that I normally use to help to manifest my reality consciously. Now, just before I go to bed, I would speak to my subconscious mind and ask my subconscious mind to wake me up sometime in the morning, maybe around 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning. And most likely, you would wake up feeling that you want to go to the bathroom. And you go to the bathroom and you would urinate, and then you set your intention as you go back to bed. And the reason for that is that you will still be in this drowsy, sleepy state, and you'll be under the influence of a certain brain wave. And because of that, you'll be more easily, it will be more easy, I should say, for you to impress your desire or your feeling upon your subconscious mind. So, go to bed. Ask your subconscious mind to wake you up around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay? And then when you wake up that time in the morning and you already use the bathroom, as you go back to bed, you go back to bed with your intention. You're going to fall asleep very, very, very fast. And as long as you impress that feeling of whatever you desire in this world, it is more likely for it to take place. Okay? For example, Job chapter 33 verses 14 to 16 tells you how important it is for you to go to bed consciously knowing exactly what you want. And we see how Abdullah, not missing from Ethiopia, how he taught Neville the importance of utilizing sleep and the importance of knowing that he has awakened with the right intention and with the right mindset, because he would have prepared himself the right way before he goes to bed. So my brother, my sisters, I just want you to look at sleep in a different way. And I want you to utilize every moment, because the morning breeze has secret to tell you. And that is why some of the most inspiring moments that you will experience in your life is between sleep and wake, around the time of 3, 4 or 5 in the morning. There's a lot of ideas and inspiration that I would have received by waking up certain time in the morning. I'm speaking about anything from 3 a.m. in the morning. Those times are what they call the wishing hours, where your wish is more easily fulfilled. And it is because the atmosphere is more receptive because there's less negative energy and vibration because most people are asleep. And so I want to encourage you to utilize those moments by knowing exactly what you want and be definite about what you want, and learn to have a relationship with your subconscious mind to wake you up anytime. Many times we impress upon our subconscious mind a certain time we want to wake up to go to work, and many of us program ourselves that way. But I'm saying to you, you can reprogram your subconscious mind based on what kind of life you want to live. So if you want a more fulfilling life and you want to live a life of abundance and prosperity, there's certain sacrifices it would take. And I'm saying one of it can be you waking up 3 a.m. in the morning or 4 a.m. in the morning, and you're doing it intentionally because you already set it in your mind before you go to bed, and your subconscious mind receive that message. Because remember, your wish is always the command of the subconscious mind. So my brother, my sister, I'm encouraging you to try this technique. Speak to your subconscious mind to wake you up at a certain time in the morning. And when you wake up in that morning and you use the washroom, get your intention as you go back to bed. Okay? Or as you go back to bed, okay, you lie and you do your imaginal act. And you fall asleep. And I'm telling you, a series of events will take place in your life, and that which you desire will come to pass. So my brother, my sisters, just as Neville would have told those people who would have climbed the ladder in their imagination, he tell them, just as easily as they would have climbed the ladder in the physical realm after they would have done it in the spiritual realm by sleeping in their imagination, so too they could have been $1 million rich. It's the same thing I'm saying to you. Because once you prove it one time, then you know you can do it another time. And whatever is your desire, you know it can become a reality. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I want to really thank you very much. And I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, and what I'm saying, it makes sense to you, really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, you can follow me at Black Mad Guru. And if you feel strongly led to support this work, we always have a PayPal, and the link is always down below. You can all then feel free to check it out. Also, if you like to be a part of our Patreon community, we have a lot of good information there for you, and you can feel free to check out the information that are available to you. Also, we have a course there, and if you're interested in the course, feel free to check it out. It's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously, or the Inner Sun Engineering to Create Your Reality Consciously. But that is for people who are donating at least $20 or more. That is available for you. So if you feel strongly led to check it out, I will definitely encourage you to do so. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.